Hey guys, today I'm coming to you with a quick tutorial on how I've achieved this gorgeous blonde balayage. So if you're interested, stay tuned. This is one of my easiest looks to achieve. All I've done is teasy light the entire wig, which makes this very beginner friendly. All you do is take your section, back comb, and you'll get the effect of having blended highlights without having to do any weaving. The more dimension you want in your section, the lower you'll begin your tease. For this wig, I've actually pre-sectioned and teased the hair. I did this so that once I start coloring, the only thing I need to do is apply my lightener. This saves me time throughout the process because when you're bleaching a wig, you want as much control as possible over how long the bleach stays on the hair. This way you can prevent over bleaching and damage. What you'll see me do once I apply my lightener is I'll go through it with a comb to make sure the section is completely saturated. Saturating your section is the key to clean, bright lift. If your section is not fully saturated, you'll end up with uneven or patchy color. Some sections of the hair could be blonde and some will still be orange. In this clip, you'll see me working on the face framing money piece. Most girls who color wigs, what I see them do is just take out a chunk of hair in the front and apply the bleach. This gives you a bright patch that is unconnected to the rest of the color. Detail work around the hairline is the key to having a clean, gradiated money piece. It also ensures that your face framing highlight connects with and complements the rest of your color. The kind of detail work you do at the hairline will vary depending on the overall look you're trying to achieve. For this look, we've done teasy lights all over. So my face framing piece will just consist of solid slices and 2 sets of teased slices behind it. This next step that I take is the step that most wig makers skip, and this is what will differentiate between DIY color and professional color. It's what sets your wig apart and gives you a seamless blend. Most people who are coloring their wigs know about toning your blonde. Toning dictates the color or shade. For example, a golden blonde, a sandy blonde, or an ashy blonde. Once you're finished bleaching, you have to tone. Raw lift, if left untoned, will always look yellow. That's why some people use a purple shampoo. However, that's only temporary, and if you want your color to last, you need to tone with a semi-permanent or permanent color. What truly sets your color apart is doing a root melt, which is what you see me doing in this clip. You'll use a darker color that matches the base of your wig and you'll blend it into your blonde toner. When applying your root melt, you have to be really clean and intentional with your placement. You're working with a darker color, so wherever that color goes is where it's going to live. If you want your final color to be seamless, then your application has to be precise. Once I'm done with my color, I'll treat and condition my hair. Let it air dry, and then if I want it to be really sleek, I'll either blow dry it or flat iron it, and then I'll add in my curl. So that's it guys, an overview of how I achieved this look. It's a look that you can replicate very easily if you have a basic understanding of color. Obviously, when it comes to color, there's a lot more nuance and detail, but this should give you a good foundation if you want to achieve this look. I do offer one-on-one classes, so if you're interested in learning some more of my tips and techniques, feel free to reach out to me. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. Follow me on socials, and thank you guys so much for watching.